Hi, my name's Alexia. Here's how to give your room a new look and feel by staining your furniture. Let's get into it. So first up, it's a good idea to wipe your furniture with a cloth to get rid of any dust or cobwebs. Next, we're going to remove any handles or fittings. You may need to use a drill or a hammer to remove your hardware. Since this timber has some cracks, we're going to use a timber filler to patch them up. Using this power sander, we're going to give the timber a sand. When using a sander, press lightly and let the machine do all the work. Once you sanded back the timber, use a cloth to get rid of the excess dust. Now that our base is smooth and clean, it is time to stain the timber, and I've chosen the black Japan as our colour, but you can choose whatever colour you'd like. There's so many options when it comes to choosing your stain colour, from black to walnut to clear. Just remember the space where you're wanting this piece to go so it complements it. Now all that's left to do is attach the handles. And there you have it, a stained furniture piece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.